Let us look at the slope point form. To find the equation of a line having slope m and passing through the point A with coordinates x1, y1. Point A with coordinates x1, y1 is a point on the line L. Slope of the line L is m. Let point P with coordinates x, y be any point on the line L other than A. Point A with coordinates x1, y1 and point P with coordinates x, y are the points on the line L. Therefore, slope of line L is equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. But slope of line L is m. Therefore, y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to m. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. It is the required equation of line passing through the point x1, y1 and slope m. Equation in two-point form. To find the equation of a line passing through A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 are the given points. Let P, x, y be a point on the line passing through A and B. Slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, P is a point of line AB. Therefore, P, x, y and A, x1, y1 are 2 points on the line. Slope of AP is equal to y1 minus y upon x1 minus x is equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Therefore, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, which is the equation of line. Let's look at the double intercept form. To find the equation of a line having x-intercept A and y-intercept B. X-intercept of line L is A. A, coordinates small a, 0 is a point on the line L. Y-intercept of line L is B. B, coordinates 0, B is a point on the line L. Let P, xy be any point on the line L. A, 0 corresponds to x1, y1. B, 0 corresponds to x2, y2. Slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope of line AB is equal to b minus 0 upon 0 minus a is equal to b upon minus a is equal to minus b upon a. Equation of the line AB in slope point form. Y minus b is equal to minus b upon a into x minus 0. Y minus b is equal to minus b upon ax. Y upon b minus b upon b is equal to minus x upon a, dividing by b to both sides. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, which is the equation of line in two intercept form. Let us look at the examples. Example 1. If 4, minus 3 is a point on the line AB and slope of the line AB is -2, write the equation of the line AB. Solution: 4, -3 is equal to x1, y1 is a point on the line AB and m is equal to -2. Equation of line AB in point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus into bracket -3 is equal to -2 into x minus 4. Y plus 3 is equal to -2x plus 8. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. It is the required equation. Example 2. Write the equation of the line making x-intercept 3 and y-intercept -2. Solution: x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept is equal to 1. X upon 3 plus y upon -2 is equal to 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Example 3. Find the equation of the line passing through 3, 6 and making intercepts equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Solution: let A and B be the intercepts on the coordinate axis and A is equal to -b. Equation is double intercept form. X upon A is equal to y upon B is equal to 1. X upon -b plus y upon b is equal to 1. Minus x plus y is equal to b. This line is passing through the point 3, 6. -3 plus 6 is equal to b. b is equal to 3 and a is equal to -3. Equation of the line is -x plus y is equal to 3. X minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us solve some problems from exercise 5.3. Question 1. Line PQ intersects y-axis in 0, 3 with slope -1 upon 2. Write the equation of line PQ. Solution: slope m is equal to -1 upon 2. Y-intercept C is equal to 3. Standard slope intercept form of equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Substituting the values of y and c, we get y is equal to -1 upon 2x plus 3. Therefore, 2y is equal to -x plus 3. Therefore, 2y plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Question 2. Write the equation of the line passing through the point P and having slope m. Number 1. P -3, 7 and slope 1 upon 2. Solution: -3, 7 corresponds to x1, y1. Equation of line in point slope form is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus 7 is equal to 1 upon 2 into square bracket x minus into simple bracket -3 square bracket close. Therefore, 2y minus x minus 17 is equal to 0. By rearranging the terms, we get, therefore, x minus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0. Number 2. P 0, 6 and slope 6 upon 7. Solution: 0, 6 corresponds to x1, y1. Equation of line in point slope form is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus 6 is equal to 6 upon 7 into x minus 0. Therefore, 7y minus 6x minus 42 is equal to 0. By rearranging the terms, we get, therefore, 6x minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. Question 3. Write the equation of the line passing through each of the pair of points given below in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4, 7. Solution. 2, 3 corresponds to x1, y1. 4, 7 corresponds to x2, y2. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 into x minus 2. Therefore, y minus 3 is equal to 4 upon 2 into x minus 2. Therefore, 2 into y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus 2. Therefore, 2y minus 6 is equal to 4x minus 8. Therefore, 2y is equal to 4x minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2x minus 1. Number 2. Minus 3, 5 and 4, minus 7. Solution. Minus 3, 5 corresponds to x1, y1. 4, minus 7 corresponds to x2, y2. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus 5 is equal to minus 7 minus 5 upon 4 minus into bracket minus 3 into x minus into bracket minus 3. Therefore, y minus 5 is equal to minus 12 upon 7 into x plus 3. Therefore, 7y minus 35 is equal to minus 12x minus 36. Therefore, 7y is equal to minus 12x minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to minus 12x minus 1 upon 7. Question 4. Convert the equation in y is equal to mx plus c form. Number 1. X upon 2 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. Solution. Multiply the equation by a least common multiple. So, least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. 3x plus 2y upon 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3 upon 2x plus minus 6 upon 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3 upon 2x plus 3.